Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 20th of March. The euro continued its slide versus the US dollar after the Cypriot parliament rejected plans to tax depositors in Cypriot banks. The pair, currently moving below 128.85, dropped to lower lows for a second time and after Sunday night's initial drop to 128.40. All eyes in Europe are now on Cyprus and what will be their plan B for recapitalising the economy to get ECB liquidity for the domestic banking system. One thing remains: the credibility of the euro has subsided, and this may move the single territory deeper into negative territory. Gold moved higher and then stabilised just above 1611 as developments in Cyprus unfolded. The instability in the Eurozone is causing investors to look for safe havens, and this may help push gold upwards. The US 500, which tracks the largest listed equities in the US, moved above 1542. The index seems to be moving in a pennant formation that may see a strong pull lower or continue the strong bull rally of the previous months. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar picked up at 10.40 to 11.85 as investors' fears return and push option premiums higher. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 129.15. The dollar-yen pivot points at 95.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 95.45. The Aussie dollar pivot point at 103.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 150.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.65. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.45. And looking at commodities and indices now. The oil pivot points at 93.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 93.90. The gold pivot points at 1,600 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1,600. The silver pivot point at 28.56 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.56. The US 500 is at 1553 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1553. And the UK 100 is at 6405 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6405. And of course, from up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 9:30 GMT in the UK, we have the MPC meeting minutes forecast to drop by 5.2 thousand. At 14:30 GMT in the US, we have the US crude oil inventories forecast to rise by 1.8 million. And at 21:45 GMT in New Zealand, we have the New Zealand's GDP quarter-on-quarter expected to rise by 0.9%. And our pair of the day is the Aussie dollar. The Australian dollar gained against the US dollar, moving above 103.80 as the pair consolidates. The Aussie has seen consistent higher highs in recent weeks as the Australian economy is pushing forward and less support is expected from the Reserve Bank of Australia. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.